Hey folks, Will Owen here with JetBoatPilot.com. On today's video, we are out at Crystal Lake, Florida, just north of Panama City. Crystal Lake is known for its crystal clear water, hence the name, and it's also really nice and quiet most of the time. It's always nice and flat, so it's become our favorite place to go testing. We get great results, good quality video, and it's really just been overall just a real blessing having it close by like this. Today we're on a 212X. This is our 2018 212X, and we're going to be showing you some new features, explaining a couple of new things, a lot of the new technology we've been advancing with thrust vector wake. And right away, Thomas Watts is with us here today. Say hello, Thomas.
Hey, how's it going?
Thomas is my business partner's oldest son, and he's been helping us a lot with the surf, just kind of testing the surfability of the wave. He's been riding a lot, surfing and wakeboarding. You injured your knee back last year kind of late, didn't you? So a lot of you guys were asking, why haven't you guys shown us any video? And I kept telling you, well, my rider, he's been hurt, and anyway, it's this guy's fault. He hurt his leg. So anyway, the doctor's cleared him now. He's been surfing a lot and wakeboarding a lot, so glad to have him back on a board. So yeah, Thomas, what do you think, man?
I mean, I've been surfing with you guys for a while now.
Yeah.
And like, what is it you think you've accomplished? So
basically, when we first started here, we had really no product other than just the original thrust vector, but we didn't have a wake version, and we started developing the thrust vector wake to help people surf and help people wakeboard and help with tubing. But we really wanted to have a product that was not just good, we wanted a great product. And one of the things we learned was, after you surfed it for a while, we had a good product, but we wanted to kind of take it from good to great. And we started partnering with some pros. Actually, there's a local pro here that's been helping us a lot and kind of giving us some pointers. And he noticed on day one there was this one change that could be made to take the product from really good to really great. And what you see behind us here is that product. This is actually kind of what helped us go from good to great. We're calling this the Jet Wash Deflector. It's a simple bolt or clip-on attachment that clips onto the bottom of your ladder. Every Yamaha has a ladder. Twin engine boats, it's always mounted in the center. Single engine boats, it's always kind of off center, but twin engines, it's in the center. We didn't really need anything to take it from good to great on the singles, because that jet wash is coming out center line, and so it knocks down a lot of that upward swell that's coming from beneath the boat. But on a twin engine boat, we're knocking down the jet wash on the left side and knocking it down on the right side with the thrust vector. But we really wanted to knock down the jet wash in the center there and make it a little cleaner. So this attachment, being able to snap this on to any ladder, and by the way, that's every ladder Yamaha's ever made from 03 until 2019. This is a universal fit. It just snaps on. It's got a little safety buckle here. It actually floats. I didn't mention that before, but if we toss it in the water here, and if you were to try to bolt it on, it actually bobs back to the surface here. So in case you were worried about that, your fancy little contraption doesn't get lost out in the middle of the lake there. But yeah, once we clipped this on, what we learned is the pocket length got longer, and it also, the top of the wave got much cleaner than what we had before. So this, working in concert with the thrust vector wake, you're going to find that the playground is much larger, the surfability is much greater on all the twin engine boats. And we wanted to make sure we debuted this today to show you guys that are already pre-ordered, they've already got your orders in, that you'll be expecting to get one of these with your kit, no charge. It's going to come standard. You will need to assemble it. We'll send you instructions on how to do that. We'll do a different video to show you how to install, maybe a little later on here. But yeah, Thomas, that's really that's the big difference. This piece here took us from really good to really great. And when you get your shipment here, those of you that are pre-ordered or those of you that are thinking about ordering, this will come in the box. Just follow the instructions, put it together, clip it on, and go play. You're going to have the best surf wave you've ever had behind your Yamaha. All right, guys, well, that's it. For more information about Jet Boat Pilot products, visit us, JetBoatPilot.com. You can also find us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube. If you like what you've seen today, please hit the subscribe button down below. That's really helpful for us, and obviously you'll get new content. Anytime we put new videos out, you'll get those immediately. We appreciate you watching. We hope it was helpful for you. Thanks. Have a great day.